One of the coolest things about my networking group, the Swanee Network, is that we give back to the community. Excuse me. Give back to the community, and not just our community, but the global community. So headed to the Gwinnett County Fairgrounds this morning bright and early to pack meals to feed the hungry.
Wait till I say go, all right? Okay.
Feels so good to give back.
Oh man, I'm coming back again next year.
It was awesome.
Bonafide, baby.
Easy, fun, loved it.
Helping people. Singing on rice for lunch.
Unbelievable time. Can't wait to come back next year. We love it.
What an incredible experience. We packed almost 110,000 meals, bonded together as a group. But really the impact is what's crazy. So for 2 hours of our time, we're able to feed approximately 300 children for a year. It's just incredible. I mean, man, just makes you, it just puts things into perspective in life. It really, really does. That people are still, number one, that people still are still in need at that level. And then number two, how easy it is for us to give back and make such an impact.